I knew just a split second before the impact that we were going to collide. And then the windshield disintegrated in front of me, and we came to a sudden halt, and I couldn't get out. The door was jammed. It was shortly after noon that this happened, and I came home late the next night, so I was actually only in there one night. A lady from this, I think it was the social service department of the hospital, came and talked to me before I was discharged, and she told me that I had the right to an attorney, and I just thought I'll never need one. Well, just because of all the red tape that would be involved, and of course I thought it was so straightforward there wouldn't be any. But I was very, very wrong. The only attorney we had ever dealt with was an elder law attorney, and so I called her, and even though I was pretty sure she wouldn't handle a case like this, or couldn't, I thought she could recommend somebody, and she did. She recommended Corson and Johnson.
Betty's friends had purchased an insurance policy and paid for it for years, in the event that they injured someone, and this is exactly what happened. But sometimes a friend injures another friend. You're a passenger in a car and you're bringing a claim against your friend's insurance company. It's a little bit difficult to navigate because people want to maintain their relationships with their friends.
We had been really good friends for probably 30-some years. We had been over to visit them in England, and they came to the States almost every year, and I would not have sued them. There's not enough money in the world to compensate for the loss of friendship with them.
In order to settle a lawsuit, you have to be willing to go to trial. In this case, Betty was not, because she didn't want to bring her friends, her dear friends from England, to deposition and to trial. So we had to take a hard line in negotiations and were able to resolve the case without filing a lawsuit, and I think to Betty's satisfaction.
I couldn't have managed without them. I had never been in an accident, had had no dealings with lawsuits or attorneys. I was surprised to find out how badly I needed them. It really would have been very difficult for me to deal with the insurance company and the hospital bills and the mix-ups that ensued.